Despite yesterday's steep rally in the dollar, oil prices failed to fix below $80 per barrel. As expected, the asset bounced back above the psychological mark, driven by persistent geopolitical tensions. Moreover, the Palestinian-Israeli conflict continues to escalate and risks dragging other countries in the Middle East into the fray. If nothing changes, oil prices may shortly return to the $90 mark. From a technical point of view, in an attempt to leave oversold territory, Brent crude slowed down. It's a downward cycle at around the support level of 80. Despite a pullback followed by a sideways move, the downtrend remains intact. If the quote returns below the 79.5 mark, short interest will resume its rise. Until then, the asset is expected to drift in the range of $79.50 to $81.50. Meanwhile, gold jumped in value shortly after falling to $1,950 per troy ounce. Its rise coincided with a broad dollar rally, which contradicts the typically inverse relationship. Apparently, gold was mainly driven by geopolitical factors, which often have a much greater impact. The escalating conflict in the Middle East sent investors flocking toward the safe haven metal. Nevertheless, it now looks like the asset will try to stabilize in the range of $1,950 to $1,975. Of course, if the Palestinian-Israeli conflict continues to escalate, gold prices will make another attempt to return to $2,000 per troy ounce. Speaking of the Russian currency, it continues to trade at around 92 rubles per dollar. Perhaps trading activity will increase next week when the market begins to digest today's inflation data. The annual inflation rate in Russia is expected to increase to 6.6% from 6%. However, the data will be published in after-hour trading. At the same time, higher inflation will indicate the Bank of Russia's futile efforts to stabilize the situation by tightening monetary policy as well as further interest rate hikes, which are already causing serious harm to the economy. Against this background, the ruble will most likely suffer losses. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.